Annotate Pro for Microsoft Word helps you give better feedback faster. AP sits in a task pane beside your Word documents, allowing handy access to pre-written, reusable feedback. You can also detach the task pane, great for dual monitor users. AP allows you to create your own libraries of reusable feedback or harness one of 11 Tree's expert crafted libraries, like College Edition for academic writing. Regardless of the source, all feedback is customizable. You can manually edit content or prompt yourself to customize the content using forms and checklists. Forms pop up so you can add personalized text to the comment before adding it. And checklists are handy for repetitive but important competencies like proper formatting or for ensuring feedback doesn't sound repetitive. The Freeform and Translate box also allows you to type out feedback or have it translated for multi-language support. If you enable comment history, all your Freeform content will be saved to a feed you can curate into reusable content at your convenience. AP can create comments or add pre-written text to the body of the document, which is great for narrative feedback. You can insert content from a favorite button, search, or navigating the selected libraries. If you disable auto comment, you can add text right to the Word document itself. AP for Word works across devices and platforms, including Word Online and even on Word documents opened inside of Microsoft Teams. You can also configure AP content from your browser, allowing you to upload your pre-existing content, sort and color favorite comments, and more. Install AP and within 5 minutes, you'll be up and going with a 14-day free trial of our premium features and libraries. Choose to license the features or content, bring AP to your school to facilitate sharing of libraries amongst teachers, or stay forever free to use AP with Word and your own content.